Xiaomi, one of the world's largest smartphone manufacturers, plans to enter the U.S. market next year. The Chinese device manufacturer recently expanded to Western Europe, and the U.S. smartphone market is close to its radar. The Wall Street Journal reports that Xiaomi could bring their smartphones to the U.S. later this year. "We have always considered entering the USA market," says the president of Xiaomi, Lei Jun. "We plan to start entering the market by the end of 2018 or by the beginning of 2019. Xiaomi already sells a number of products in the U.S. including your Android TV decoder, My TV, at Walmart locations across the country." Xiaomi also began selling 2 models of hearing aids, a battery pack, a 360-degree camera and a robot coding kit on Amazon in November, after previously launching articles in its online store Mi for the United States. The success of Xiaomi in the United States will ultimately depend on the operators,